Hello and welcome to Module 2, Writing and Applying XAPI Statements. In this lesson, you will learn how to write a valid XAPI statement and apply it to a real e-learning scenario. By the end, you'll understand how to break down a statement into key parts: the actor, verb, and object, and optionally the result or context. Let's take a look at where to start. On this page, you'll find, here on Pages, you'll find this opening presentation page. You'll find a short video introducing the structure of API statements. After watching this video, you'll complete a short practice activity where you'll write your own XAPI statement. Next, you'll move on to the discussion prompt. Here you'll share an example of an XAPI statement and explain how it can be applied to one of your projects. You'll also reply to at least 2 classmate posts. This peer-to-peer exchange is designed to help you see different approaches and strengthen your own understanding. Finally, you'll work on an assignment. And you'll submit a polished XAPI statement with a full explanation of its components. These activities will give you both hands-on practice and collaborative learning opportunities so that you can finish the module confident in using XAPI statements effectively. Let's get started.